to Autom packaging machinery. So today we will introduce you one small powder packaging machine. The model number is ATM-320D. It is suitable for packing coffee powder, chili powder, wheat flour, milk powder, protein powder, sugar, etc. Let's check the machine. Here is the roving installation part. The frame will go through this shaft to the platformer here. Look at here. It is the middle sealing device. Here it is the end sealing device with the cutter. Here it is the date printer. It can print production date, expire date, and the lot numbers. Here is a ribbon roll. The date printer is working synchronized with the machine. Look at this part. It is color code sensor. It can track the color code on the film automatically to make the back length. Okay, look at this part. It is the auger filler. We will put the powder inside the storage hopper. Inside the screw will measure our target weight of the powder. It is 4-size sealing bag. These two are made by the vertical sealing device. These two are made by the end sealing device. We also designed the continuous bag device here. Let's check the electricity box of the machine, the PLC part, the intermediate relay, the solid state relay. We provide 2 years warranty for the component parts of the machine.